So just gotta head the ratchet the right way. Let's hope for the screws. Let's go with oh, bit of fish in that. This should be easy because I've done this a million times on my motorbike. Got the chain in this bag. Not even opened it yet. But yeah, I hope you can see me. But well, I've just had a knife as well. Honestly, I'm glad I'm doing stuff like this. Got a knife. Always love opening packages. Alright, so I've got a redcycles.co.uk sticker. These are the people who supplied the chain. Nice little golden chain. It'd be very nice to look in and make his bike look really nice. Let's get it opened. Alright, so they've not waxed. No, they've not greased it, but yeah, it should be alright though. Nice little chain. If you ever do need a chain, and for a little 50cc, you know, those not exactly named brands of motorbikes, I'd suggest checking Red Cycles out because, yeah. Now, they've not paid me for any of this, but it looks like a good chain. Obviously, time will tell, but yeah, very good. Yeah. Right, I'll cut to it when I'm getting the chain on. See you in a bit.